guys, I'm Odyssey2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of picking open, or single pin picking, a gun lock out of the package. I've not opened this yet, so I'm not sure what it looks like. It's got some wire running around there. I'll take a bit of care opening it if possible. For a simple reason, you can recycle these. It's not opening too well. It's just torn, so I'll have to tear it. There's a note in there with compliments, BSA Guns UK Limited. I bought a rifle a couple of months ago and didn't realise, but inside the destruction manuals there was like a little card to state that if I sent that back to them I'd get a free gun lock. You know how it is when you're looking through bits and pieces, you think, oh, that's just maybe something for a book or propaganda for something. So I sent off for this. One, two, it looks only like a little 3-pinner. Use the back of my phone. Don't know if you're going to see this. It's a very small key. Free from BSA Guns, not for resale. Key working. Right, you got to pull it out. It's not key returning. Locks back up. Let's see what we can fit in there. It's a little bit tight. It's just got it. It's picked open. Do that one more time. Locked up. Right, well, that must have been a bit of a mistake. So again, locked back up. Sort of too fast. Not working. Oh. Flies open. See if that will go in there. So it needs to be unlocked to put that back in. Let's do that again. Even though this is not a fantastic lock, BSA guns are absolutely outstanding. You can literally drive nails in with them, they're that accurate. So to the back. It's just done it again. That's picked open. So yeah, like as I sort of stressed there, BSA guns are outstanding rifles, they really are. It's a beautiful, beautiful BSA R10 Mark II. It's the carbine version and it shoots sweet as a nuts. Just like that picks open sweet as a nuts. So if you are newbies to Locksport guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.